Hello again and welcome back to the Capitol for another report during the legislative session. Today I want to send a special thank you and a special hello to Memorial Middle School students in Laredo who are going to be watching this and with whom I'll be as they watch this report. I want to talk today about something that I think is very important to the future of education and the future of our students in the state of Texas. I introduced legislation that would increase teacher pay in Texas across the board to try to bring us up to the national average. The legislation I introduced, House Bill 1625, would increase teacher pay across the board for all teachers by $2,000. However, if you have between 5 and 10 years experience of teaching, it would be $3,000. If you have between 10 and 15 years of experience teaching, it would be $4,000. And then if you have more than 15 years of experience teaching in the state of Texas, you would have a $5,000 increase in your pay. I think it's very important that we recognize in Texas today, as fast as we're growing, there's a tremendous need and demand for more teachers in our classroom. Right now, the estimates are that we're about 50,000 teachers short of where we need to be in our classrooms in the state of Texas. But importantly, we're not short of teachers. We have over 200,000 certified teachers in the state of Texas who are not teaching. And the reason they're not teaching is because they're being offered other jobs where they're being paid more. And I don't blame them for taking those jobs. But it's important that we recognize and that we prioritize teachers in the state of Texas and we pay them more and bring us up to the national average. If we do that, we will have all the teachers that we need. We'll have good teachers. We'll have better schools and the best education possible. We need to lead the country in education. This is the way to get us there. Thanks for tuning in again. I look forward to seeing you all the next few days, and I hope you will support this legislation.